Ready, start. Addressing the annual general meeting of the shareholders of the Central Bank of India Limited on Friday, April 28, 1967, Sir Homi Modi, chairman of the bank, observed that while in the past 15 years there had been an impressive growth in the total volume of banking businesses, both in the matter of deposits and advances, there were of late definite signs of a decline in the probability of banking full stop. While in absolute terms, bank profits for 1966 had been maintained at almost the same level as in 1965. Probability measured by such criteria as the ratio of net profits to deposits and their ratio of expenses to earnings had shown a decline full stop. This observed Sir Homi was a serious portent and necessary corrective steps need to be taken before there was a further erosion full stop. Para banks should become more cost conscious than they are at present, emphasized Sir Homi, and re-examine the economics of the various free services rendered to the customers full stop. It would be worthwhile to undertake a study and ascertain to what extent the action of various banks in vying with one another in offering free facilities has directly resulted in the growth of their deposits, which is the object underlying such facilities full stop. Para in regard to advances, the Reserve Bank has imposed a ceiling on the rate of interest chargeable, and in Sir Homi's opinion, whatever be the arguments for and against the rate laid down, the time has come for commercial banks to consider introducing the system of levying a commitment charge as is already being done by various term leading institutions full stop. Such a levy would serve a double purpose. It would impose a degree of much needed financial discipline on the borrowers and at the same time contribute to banks' earnings full stop. In discussion, the nationalization of banks, Sir Homi pointed out that the real test to be applied full stop over.